Hello. Welcome to the May Trucking Company How-To video series, How to Properly Slide Your Trailer Tandems. It may be necessary for you to adjust the trailer axles in order to ensure the weight of your load is legal. You may also refer to your driver reference manual for written step-by-step instructions.
The trailer air system may need to air up completely before proceeding. This is done by releasing only the trailer brakes with the truck running. This is usually required if the trailer has been sitting without being connected.
Make sure that your tractor and trailer are in a straight line.
Keep both the tractor and trailer brake on.
Disengage the axle locking pins by pulling on the locking release button. This is located on the driver's side of the trailer, directly in front of the tandems. If it does not release, adjust the tractor and trailer to make sure it is straight. Visually inspect all 4 locking pins to make certain they have been completely released.
With your foot on the service brake, release the tractor brakes. At this point, only the trailer brakes should be engaged.
With the trailer brakes on, release tractor brakes. The truck moves the trailer while the tandems stay still. Once you have the trailer over the tandems in the desired location, reset the trailer brakes, the red brake. This will re-engage the locking pins automatically. Again, visually inspect the locking pins to make certain they have fully engaged.
If the locking pins do not line up, move the tractor and trailer in a rocking motion, forward and backward, to align the pins. This should be sufficient to slide the pins into place. To be legal, the 4 pins must be in their locked position.
Reweigh the load. If the load is still overweight on the axles or over the legal gross weight, repeat the previous steps until the legal operating weight is achieved.
If you cannot achieve a legal operating weight by sliding the trailer tandems, contact your driver manager for assistance.
See you next time.